Okay, Rosie, so I'm going to show you in two different parts how to do each one of the items that you're looking to do. So the first one, we're going to open up the storefront, the online store. So with that, we're going to go to, this is your, when you log in, this should be the first thing that you see, your home right here. So we're going to go to, let's see, online, and then you're going to go down to websites. And right here, once you get into your websites, look right here. This will always tell you exactly where you are, as far as your whole online system. Your back end, which is like all your item categories, like everything, your inventory, everything that you do in the background is your back end. And then everything that your customers can see is what's called your front end. And so your website is like this would be your front end right here where you're seeing the preview. So if you look right here, it says you're currently not accepting orders. So this is that one click. Of course, it took you a couple steps to get here, but if you click on this, okay, then you're gonna see right here this toggle where it says accept online orders. Your online store is not currently accepting orders. So once we toggle this on, it's going to turn on. We go to your website. It is going to show you, of course, your placeholder that we created just in case you ever need to do some construction or, kind of close down the shop for a little bit, the online shop. And I'm going to show you next how to move that. But if you log into your website, you're going to see this is your home page. So now it is open for business. And as you can see, if we click on this Palo Santo spray, for example, and go to shop now. Okay, it's still saying that it's not currently accepting orders. It might take some time for it to open up. So I do recommend that you do have it open for some time. And then check to make sure that it's refreshing to do that. And actually I refreshed and there we go. So it is allowing you to go ahead and take the order now. I am showing that you only have a 2-ounce size available for in-store pickup right now, and they'd be able to add it to the cart. So your store is now open. What I am going to do is I'm going to toggle it off so that you can become familiar with the steps.